Hey guys, and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we'd really appreciate it if you would. Today we're going to look at fixing the rear hatch handle on a first-gen Sequoia. Mine is a 2007 model, but all of them are afflicted with the same problem, where a piece of plastic breaks in the handle and then you have to replace it. This one had been replaced by the previous owner. I saw in some paperwork from the dealer. This is the offending part. There's supposed to be a bracket coming off of this that it breaks right here. And of course you could buy another one from Toyota, but it'd still be plastic. There's an all metal version on Amazon, but there's a problem with this, as you'll see in some of the reviews. So I want to go over how to kind of upgrade this all metal one to be better. I'm not going to go over the whole process of replacing the handle because there's already great videos out there. Smart Easy DIY is the video I looked at, and I'll link his in the description below. I think he does a great job walking you through the replacement process, so I think you should definitely refer to that one. But as far as replacing it with this Amazon all metal handle, there's an upgrade that you certainly need to do, and let me show you. So this is the aftermarket handles bracket. I've already taken the metal handle off, but you can see it's bent, it's just not straight, and it doesn't sit right on the vehicle. And the biggest complaint about this aftermarket handle is how thin this metal is and that it doesn't work very well. This is the broken plastic handle from the factory, and then this is the metal handle put on the factory bracket. So the way I did that is, you can see this rod goes through and there was a clip on here. It was just a press fit clip, so I just hit that with a hammer with it hanging off the top of the bench, and that pushed the rod down enough that you can pull here and slide it out, and then the handle just comes off. Then on the Toyota, there's a Phillips head here, but it's not actually a screw. There's a real circlip on this side, and I was able to use a flathead to just pop it off. Don't lose that, or you'll have a hard time replacing it, since you probably have to buy the whole assembly. But that circlip, once it's off, the rod slides out, and then you can put the metal handle on the factory bracket. So it's metal right here. It shouldn't break again. You do want to be sure you go over top of this so that when you pull on the handle, it actuates properly. I went ahead and put some lithium grease through all these holes as well, just to lubricate it better so that it'll move more easily. But I think this is really the best of both worlds. The factory bracket, but a nice metal handle to replace the OEM. So right here is where I had a problem with the bracket. This was pushed out quite a bit, and I think again it's because of how kind of bent this part was. And then of course this is the broken handle, and let's see if you can see, this is the new metal handle right here. The only real difference, and it does feel kind of weird because it's cold outside, it's metal when the old one was plastic, so obviously it's nice and cold. Of course the backup camera is aftermarket. I hope this video helps some of y'all out. I do think that the handle is superior, but obviously that bracket leaves a little bit of room for improvement. Smart Easy DIY's video is great, so I'll link that in the description so you can follow his guide on how to take everything apart and put it together. But I think this upgrade for the handle ought to make a huge difference and hopefully keep it from breaking again. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if there's anything you want to add I didn't include, please put that in the comments as well. I'm always glad to learn something new. Thanks.